In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the slide background color in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're customizing a presentation for school, work, or a client project, changing the background color is a simple way to make your slides look more professional and visually appealing. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either open an existing presentation that you're working on or create a new blank presentation if you just want to practice. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll see your slides displayed in the main editing area, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the Thumbnails pane. This pane shows a small preview of all your slides. Next, click on the slide that you want to change. In the Thumbnails pane on the left, select the specific slide by clicking on it once. You'll know it's selected because it will be highlighted. Make sure you're selecting the correct slide, especially if you only want to change the background color for one slide and not the entire presentation. After selecting the slide, move your cursor over that slide thumbnail in the left pane. Right-click on the selected slide to open the context menu. A menu with several options will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Format Background. Click on Format Background and a new panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen. This is called the Format Background pane, and this is where all the background customization options are located. Inside the Format Background pane, you'll see several fill options. To change the slide to a single solid color, select the option labeled Solid Fill. Once you click on Solid Fill, more settings will appear underneath. Now, look for the Fill Color drop-down menu. There will be a color box next to it. Click on that color box or drop-down arrow to open the Fill Color palette, sometimes referred to as the data grid of colors. This palette gives you a wide range of theme colors and standard colors to choose from. Simply click on the color you want to apply to your slide. As soon as you click a color, you'll see the background of your selected slide update instantly in the main editing area. You can try different colors by clicking around in the palette until you find the one that matches your design or branding. If you're happy with the color, you can leave it as is. If you want to apply the same background color to all slides in your presentation, look for the Apply to All button in the Format Background pane and click it. This will instantly update every slide with the same background color, saving you time and keeping your presentation consistent. And that's it. You've successfully changed the slide background color in PowerPoint. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation looks and feels. Clean, consistent backgrounds help your content stand out and make your slides more engaging for your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.